So in this video I'm going to show you how to change the DPI and pulling rate for the AOC AGON AGM700 mouse. So if you have this mouse, what you want to do is to install the program from AOC. It's called G-Menu. So you just go to Google and you type download AOC AGON AGM700 software. You will most likely land on this page, and from here you just download the G-Menu program, you install it, and then you just start it. You will need to select the mouse, and from here you go to sensitivity, and from here you can change the DPI, the pulling rate, and a few other options like double click, pointer and scroll speed. By default the mouse has 1600 DPI on the lowest level, and the pulling rate is at 1000. In my case I just set it as I have my other mouses from Razer at 1800 DPI, and the pulling rate by default to 1000. So this is the program from Razer Synapse, and if you want you can just increase the DPI, or you can just revert it back. Once you have selected an option you need to click apply to keep the settings. So this is how you can change the DPI and pulling rate for this mouse from AOC. Also the mouse has some dedicated buttons, and this display here on the left side with the current DPI. This can be useful for FPS games, but for other type of activities like working or playing other games, changing the DPI might not be needed to change it all the time from the mouse buttons, and for that you can just set it from here and leave it as it is. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.